Hello, my name is Amali, and today I'm going to show you how to help your child grasp the basics of multiplication by drawing arrays. Arrays are diagrams which represent multiplication. And here is a simple one which I would start with any child from aged 5 upwards. So here you have two groups of 3. And these are horizontal groups of 3. And I would get the child to draw this out and group these horizontally as I've shown here. I would then get them to look at the vertical grouping. So here we've got one group of 2, two groups of 2, and 3 groups of 2. And at a glance, your child will be able to see that 2 groups of 3 is actually the same as 3 groups of 2 in that they both add up to 6. Now, I always start by introducing the multiplication with the words groups. In fact, I don't show the times symbol or the multiplication symbol until I feel they're secure with the word groups, because the word groups means they can visualize it. Once your child is able to draw the grouping out, I then extend this to repeated addition. So, looking at the horizontal grouping again, this is equal to 3 plus 3 equals 6. And I get the children to write the number sentence to go with the diagram. And similarly, looking vertically, we've got 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. This way, your child is moving progressively onto counting up in the number. So rather than getting your children to do 1 times 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, I start by getting them just to count up in 3s by adding in their head. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Here is a piece of work that one of my pupils has done. You can see that here I have moved on to 6 times 3, but I always ask before they draw the diagram, is there another way of saying this? And hopefully they will say 6 groups of 3. When they say this, I know that they can visualize it. So here you can see my pupil has used this upside down V to represent the ones or the units. And then I get the child to add them up by counting on. So, what can you do this on? Well, you can use the whiteboard, which the children love. And they don't have to draw circles. They can draw sweets, they can draw crosses, they can draw donuts, whatever you like. Your child could also use the iPad. The children like using the stamp tools to draw out the groupings. I would recommend that you do this a couple of times a week. You could do this before they do their maths homework, just for 5 or 10 minutes maximum. What you will find is that you can work on it for a couple of weeks, then take a break, and you may come back and find that they've forgotten, but that's quite normal. Repeat the process again, take another break, come back to it, and what you will find is that the recall becomes quicker and quicker until it's secure. If you want to read more about my thoughts about mental maths, please visit my blog page on www.amalitutorsonline.com. Thank you very much for listening.